Hi guys. So I wanted to come on and talk to you guys about metals and staining, whether it's a nose ring or an earring, doesn't really matter, or belly ring, whatever it is. And this would also apply to sterling silver. Sterling silver, I love sterling silver. I wear tons of sterling silver. I don't really hardly ever wear gold. I love sterling silver, and it does tarnish. All metals tarnish. First off, just to be clear, all metals tarnish. If it doesn't tarnish, it's probably plated, and it's not really, doesn't have a whole lot of value. Stainless steel is kind of tarnished looking anyway, so it has a tendency to not tarnish, but that's about it. Niobium, we have niobium nose rings and niobium hoops. Those don't tarnish, but they get dirty. You know, you need to clean them periodically. But I wanted to say that there are things you can do, like that, you know, you're taking a piece of metal like this and you're sticking it in a hole in your body. So, and that hole, if, you know, it's healed well, then, and there's no irritants, then it isn't a problem. But if you get an irritation in it, or it's not healed all the way, or you've put something in it that has caused an irritation, then it's going to weep. And when it weeps, it's going to turn your jewelry black, orange, purple, green. There's a blog post on our website that talks about staining and what you can do about it. But I wanted to do this video and kind of talk to you about irritation and what you can do to clean your jewelry if you do have staining. And I think everybody has dealt with some form of staining at some point in time in their life. I know I have. I have 4 holes in my ears, and my cartilage piercings were the worst. They were so hard to heal, and they messed up every piece of jewelry I put in them until they completely healed. So we do sell these polish pads. I think I have them on the webpage, but I'll make sure that I do. They have like a little aluminum oxide coating on them, and they're little foam pads. They're real thin, and they work great for polishing jewelry. They'll keep your jewelry from tarnishing too terrible. Honestly, the best thing that I have found for keeping my silver jewelry clean and pretty is a tumbler. But not everybody can have a tumbler, or not everybody wants to spend the money on a tumbler. They run about $125, I think, for a jewelry tumbler, and then you gotta buy shot. But it's a great thing. If you love jewelry and you wear a lot of jewelry and you like your jewelry to look good, I would invest in a tumbler as a, you know, average Joe. But aside from that cost, you can take a toothbrush and some Dawn dish soap and scrub your jewelry, and I swear it comes out sparkling, beautiful, pretty. And then you can use something like a polish pad or a sunshine cloth. You've seen those yellow sunshine cloths. I don't have one here right now, but to finish polishing it up. And that's an easy way to take care of your jewelry. Now, if you have staining, what you want to do is you want to take the jewelry and you want to soak it in white vinegar. Just white vinegar that you buy at the grocery store. And I would say soak it for an hour, a couple hours maybe. It's not going to hurt it if it stays in there. If it's really badly stained, then go to the hardware store and get some of this. Regular old steel wool, super fine, finish grade, super fine grade, 0000. Or you could do 000 and you could do 00. Anyway, get those. It's not going to hurt your jewelry in any way, shape, or form. You can polish your jewelry up. It will actually shine it and it will take off any staining. So put it in some vinegar, let it soak for a little while. Take it out of the vinegar, scrub it with a brush and a little bit of, what do you call it? Dish soap. Dawn dish soap is really good for it. Probably because it has the grease cutting stuff in it. I don't know. But it works really good. And then go over it with the polish pads or the steel wool. If it's really bad, I would go to the steel wool. You could use the steel wool easily. And steel wool is like $2 for this entire bag. $2.50 maybe. So it's a really inexpensive way to keep your jewelry shiny and pretty. And take care of any potential staining. Now, I am talking about products we sell. We make all of our jewelry and we make them out of quality materials. So don't go buy something from Claire's and then put steel wool on it and then get mad at me because it ruined your jewelry. Claire's sells plated materials. It will not work. I am talking about my own jewelry, the stuff that I make every single day. That's it. Just our products. If you're buying something from somebody else, I have no idea what it's made out of, and I can't attest to any of this working. So don't do it if you didn't buy it from us. And on that note, I was going to do a separate video about this, but I think I would rather do it here. I just wanted to say that all of the materials that we use to make jewelry they have value. If it wears out and you don't want to wear it any longer and you buy a new one, don't throw it away. Get like a little container, a little box or something, you know, that you can put stuff in that you hang on to, because the way our economy is right now and the way our world is right now, we're seeing metals continue to climb and climb and climb. And we're going to see some pretty high values on metals. So, you know, if you buy nose rings, I mean, it's not much. Like one of these little tiny hoops weighs 0.02 ounces. It's a very small amount, but over a period of time, if you're buying quality jewelry, you know, quality metals, no matter how simple and basic they are, if they're sterling silver or 14 karat gold filled or 14 karat pink gold filled, keep them. Because at some point in time in the future, those products are going to be worth some money. Even 0.02. So you might spend $25 on a pair of hoops today, but that pair of hoops could be worth $50 or $100 in a couple months. This is the crazy world we live in. Anyway, I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. Click like, click subscribe. We come out with videos kind of regularly. I'm trying to do more videos, but I'm so busy with gardening and work and making jewelry and our other business, which is more jewelry stuff, that sometimes I can't really get to it. So I have a tendency to just kind of do like a cram day where I make as many videos as I can possibly make in one day that have been on my mind for a while. But if you want to see videos of something other than things I'm talking about, or you have an idea, you have a question, just let me know and I'll make a video on it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.